Hey everyone, if you have been using the Deepseek app and wondering on how to log out from it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the Deepseek app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Deepseek app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto this line just right here at the top left corner. Now select it. Then here you can find your Google account just right here. Now select it. Then scroll down and here you can find Logout option just right here. Now tap on it. Now tap on to Logout once again. And now you can see you have been logged out from the app. And that's it. This is how you can log out from the Deepseek app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.